Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video I am going to be unboxing a really cool nail subscription box that I'm sure that everyone has seen come up as an ad on their feed, and if you have not, then I'm here to show you what it is. Also, I am going to be doing a complete nail look with some of the supplies that I get in the box. And in today's video, I am going to be trying out a different format of video, and I'm just going to put some music on and let you see the process of it. And I hope you enjoy this type of video instead of me talking through each step. And if you do enjoy this video, do not forget to leave me a comment down below, and also do not forget to hit the thumbs up button, and also don't forget to subscribe. Let's just get right into the video. So this is the box right here. I've been seeing this box and this brand show up everywhere on my Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, all of those social media platforms, and I really wanted to see what it was all about, so I just went ahead and subscribed to it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open this up and see what it all includes. So opening it up, you can see there's this really pretty pamphlet up on top. It's nice and pink. Also, this is from the brand Vettsy, if you are interested. So it does come with like a little pamphlet talking about the products and what they have, and all of those things as well. Then there's a solid gel polish instruction card. They are well known for solid gel polish, which is quite cool. Then it also has a little bit of instructions of how to remove them as well. And this right here, I believe, is the October box, so it's going to be quite autumnal, which is really exciting. So let's start from here. The first things here are some little gems. Just look like that right here. Really pretty, quite cool. And then we have some foils. And then we have some foils right here. These are just spider web foils. This has spiders, these have little pumpkins, bats and witches and all of that. I think they look like they're the same thing all across. Yeah, they don't really look too different, so I'm guessing it's the same. Then we have these little glitters. They're just really autumnal colors, and we have the little maple leaves and some gold glitter here as well. These are great for sugaring. I really like that there's a black glitter in here for sugaring, which I think I would get quite a lot of use out of. Over here we have, I think this is just like a swatch tab right here, and then a magnet here as well. So I'm guessing there's going to be some sort of magnetic gel in here as well, which could be just this right here maybe. But really cool. It's just like a nice little cylinder shape. Then we have a solid red chrome right here as well. Really pretty packaging. This is quite cool. Again, probably not going to use this for today's look. So I might not actually be using a lot of these things because I don't feel like doing a Halloween set just yet. So I might just do some more like marble looking sets. Then we have the silicone mold with little pumpkins and ghosts and stars and moons, which I love because I've always wanted to try this. So I'm really happy that I got one of these. These are so cute. Then we have this really pretty bronze chrome as well, and this one right here is the loose powder chrome. Then we have a few stickers. We have these chrome butterfly stickers and these neon yellow flame stickers, which honestly doesn't really go with the theme of the box at all, but it's still nice to have. Then there's these two solid gel polishes, which I'm so excited to open up and see what they look like. So this is the first solid gel polish color. It's in number 11 in Serene, which is a really pretty mauvey purple color, really similar to the swatch on the lid. I really like this. And the second solid gel polish color that's in the kit or in the box for this month is number 118 in the shade Drama. And honestly, this was quite the drama because I was so disappointed. This looks like it would be like a really pretty rustic orange, really pumpkiny, spicy fall color. And then you open it up and the drama. Oh my goodness, it is a bright red. Not complaining, it's really pretty, but it's just not very close to the swatch. So I don't think that they really correlate with the swatches that well, but nonetheless, a super pretty color. But I wanted to do a set with this color, but I think I'm going to be using the other one now. And then lastly in here we have a soak off gel polish. So I think that tab is supposed to go right here after swatching it. So it is kind of annoying that it doesn't come swatched already, but I mean, it's gonna take like a minute to swatch anyways, so not a huge issue. But yeah, so this one right here is a cat eye gel polish. I'm not too sure what the shade is. I think it's kind of like a surprise. Oh, pretty. It's a nice pink color, quite spring-like if you ask me. So again, I don't know if they're following themes here or not. I mean, kind of, it is kind of on theme. It is quite autumnal as a theme, but there's also a few like spring things here and there. And then there's this little silk, what is this? Oh, this is cute. Like a little silk pouch. That's really cute actually. I really like that. All right, and that is all I got in this month's box. If you are interested to see me use some of the stuff, not all, but some of the stuff, and watch me do just a fall set, then just keep on watching.